We're going to walk around the outside. We're going to walk around the inside. Harding Car was built in 1905 in Chicago, Illinois, and carries passengers until 1945. It was donated to the city of Fairbanks in 59 and moved to the park in 65. Harding Car, also known as the Denali Car, is the train car that President Warren G. Harding rode in when he came to Alaska in 1923 to drive the Golden Spike for the Alaska Railroad. The Golden Spike signifies the completion of the 500-mile-long line. Harding was the first president to visit Alaska. So there we go. I read the sign to you, and now we're going to walk around. This is a 360 video, so feel free to, if you're watching this on a phone or a computer, swipe left, swipe right, look, swipe up, swipe down. If you're on a 360 headset, a VR, MetaQuest, etc., feel free to look around. This is a 360 immersion video, so go ahead and look around. We're going to walk this side of the train, the other side of the train, then we're going to go inside. This should be a very short video, but a very powerfully immersive video. I can lower the camera a bit here, so if someone's one of those train people, I'm not sure what those are called, want to see the underbelly. And this is located in Pioneer Park. We are in Pioneer Park, which is located in downtown Fairbanks, or in Fairbanks, not necessarily downtown Fairbanks, but Fairbanks nevertheless. And to my right is the Nenana stern wheeler. We'll do a separate video for that. So yep, okay. So we go, United States, Denali. All right, there we go. I mean, look at the glasswork on that. That is so crazy. I like the glasswork. So let's go inside. Now we're gonna go inside. There's lots of things to see and do in Pioneer Park. If you happen to find your way to Fairbanks, make it a point to come to Pioneer Park. But for now, we're talking about the Harding train. The Harding train car. Hi everyone, Mr. John. Nice reflective glass. So here's the Harding car, also known as the Denali car. The carpets are nice, the lights are great, the ceiling is high. I mean, that's at least 8, 9 feet, 10 feet at the dome. It was the Golden Spike ceremony. I'll just read this picture here in the middle. Driving the Golden Spike is President Harding's. Mrs. Harding is in the long white dress. Be that lady right there. Be that lady right there. To her right is Secretary Congressman Herbert Hoover. So that's Herbert Hoover right there. So that was Golden Spike was originally presented on May 4th. After the ceremony was returned to its owner, it remains in private ownership. So let's keep walking. Harding's Alaska trip. So there's a sign covering President Harding's visit to Alaska, presidential visit to Alaska, and the completion of the Alaska Engineering Commission's government railroad in July of 1923. It's very cool. And then you can come back here into the estate rooms, if you will. It's like a 6x6 square. But it's got the high ceiling and the lights. Like, the lights still function, still work. The glass, it's an old-timey glass. There's a larger bunk room for, I'd imagine his staff probably stayed in these rooms. On the bunk bed. Like the bunk bed up and down. Storage locker, and we're at the back car here. The presidential train car, if you think about it, like, you know, Train Force One. Train Force One, that's cool. So there we are. The president's special train. All right, this presidential special train was composed of engine number 618, baggage car, business car, B1 coach, smoker, sleeper, Fairbanks, 14 sections, the sleeper Talkeetna with 10 sections, the sleeper Anchorage with 10 sections. Compartment observation car, Kenai Diner, McKinley Park, Compartment Observation Car, Denali. Quest received. Find and locate all of those train cars. Help me out, Facebook. Help me out, YouTube. Help me out, everyone. Let's find all these train cars. Find out where all these train cars are. We got to find this out because we're in the Harding car, also known as the Denali car. Compartment Observation Car, Denali. So we got to find out where in the state all the other cars are stored. Because this is the Denali car. Where's the Anchorage car? Where's the McKinley Park car? Where's the Talkeetna car? Where's the Fairbanks car? Kenai car? Etc. So we got to find those. Quest received. What happened to the spike? It was pulled out and given back to the dude who made it. All right. So that's it. So that's it for, turn the camera around, face me. That's it for the Harding car. And I want to thank you for watching.